Have you got 5 minutes? Excellent. I'm Jensuya, this is Drummer Bob, and we're gonna do a 5-minute belly dance, hip drop, and hip drop kick workout. We're gonna start slow and then we'll ramp it up in speed and we'll layer on a couple of arm changes. But don't worry, we're gonna work in multiples of 4 and we're gonna clue you at the changes. Yalla Habibi, let's go. Starting in pose Iowa and listening for our cue to begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Doing it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Doing it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Now for the other side. In pose Iowa on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Doing it again. Classic arms. 3, 2, 3, 4. What's my count? Here's the last one. Doing it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2. On the other side again in single beats. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that one again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. Check your posture. Doing it again now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keeping that supporting knee bent. Whew, I'm working really hard. I hope you guys are. Are you sweating? 4, 2, 3, 4. Taking it to the other side. Posture, knee bent, nice and lifted. 4, 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it with the arms right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. One more time like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Now for hip drop kicks. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Doing it with our arms in the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. One more time here. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. I'm working really hard. I hope you are. The other side. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3. Staying nice and lifted in the chest. Supporting leg is bent. We're moving kind of slowly, but working hard. Here for the last arm movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Back to the first side. So as you're practicing this, you can practice at different tempos, like in 4s like this. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2. Now in 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. And in single beats. Hip drop kicks, hip drop kicks, hip drop kick, hip drop kick. Let's do it on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2. Now in 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. You know what's coming next. In singles with a hip drop kick. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Wrapping it up now. La, 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 la. If you made it this far, pat yourself on the back, smash that like button, and leave a comment saying, I did it, Jensuya. Bravo for you. If you haven't already subscribed, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to make sure that you get every one of our videos that we upload each Monday. And sometimes Thursdays too. What to watch next? Either another workout or refine your technique with our hip drop and hip drop kick tutorials. Masalama, we'll see you on the next video. La, 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 la.